Hi, I'm Gail Hodgson. Welcome to my studio. This workshop is really transformative. I mean, you're sitting there making a gift for yourself and with the intention of focusing on your heart, your own heart. And it's you're taking the time to do that for yourself. When we did this project, I realized how amazing it really was, and the participants of the friends really loved it. They loved doing it, even though it was, a bit somber of an occasion, just to put it simply. So anyway, I saw that this is really a beautiful project to do with people, because it does put you in touch with the mindfulness of, treasuring your own heart and a little focus piece. Anyway, I had friends dropping off jewelry to me, which was like, woohoo! Bags of jewelry and stuff like that was so much fun. And I started collecting, vintage jewelry and going to thrift shops and all that kind of stuff. It was really cool. And one time I went to a garage sale really late, like if that's me, really late. And they were packing up. And the gal said to me, "Take anything you want, it's free." Well, she had half a table of jewelry. Well, I just about went over the moon on that one. So I just raked that in and filled up my car with stuff. So I have all this beautiful jewelry to share with people. And it's so much fun. It's like a treasure hunt. So this friend of mine, this the friend that her health went downhill, she really gifted a whole lot more than just that one day. Because now I'm actually doing this as a sort of a signature workshop with the really important intention of people gifting themselves with heart connection and being reminded of that. And that's so her, the friend that we did this for. If this speaks to your heart, reach out. Let's connect.